Most people today have no idea that our ancestors built luxury homes for birds. Not cages, not feeders, homes carved into the walls of mosques, libraries, schools, and bridges. Tiny mansions with balconies and arches, little roofs shielding fragile wings from the cold. These weren't decorations. They were a worldview, a belief that compassion should live in the architecture you pass every day. Now we rush through cities of steel and glass, building only for ourselves. Those old birdhouses still cling to forgotten walls. Quiet reminders that a society once measured its greatness by how it treated lives that could give nothing back. The question is simple. When did we stop thinking that mattered?